And I really believe in that. I was a novice in TCL programming 10 years back. One thing that led from novice to an expert is practice, be it learning scripting language or an EDA tool, nothing beats concepts. I have been proving this in my courses, how learning a tool is the last 5% task of the entire learning flow. My students, who have been working with me on several projects and also learning through my courses, have not only learned semiconductors but lived the journey. And I promise the same will happen with this course on TCL scripting as well. I have been using the same approach in the last 10 years for solving problems, be it a TCL script issue or an issue with STA timing violation or an issue with DRC or an issue with floor planning or an issue with routing congestion, you name it. You will witness the same in all my courses and this one as well. Let's unveil the concepts of data flow and manipulation using TCL scripts. Who this course is for: 1. Anyone who wants to do TCL programming. 2. Anyone who wants to learn basic programming algorithms and data flow. 3. Anyone who wants to code. What will I learn? 1. You'll learn about TCL commands. 2. Quoting conventions and control structures before we move on to cover topics such as strings. 3. Learn lists, arrays, and regular expressions.